Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable nudity protection in your Instagram. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile and click on menu. Now scroll down. Here you can see messages and story replies. Press on this. In this option, you'll find here nudity protection. Go for it. If you want to enable your nudity protection in your Instagram, you just have to turn on the button. Press on turn on. That's it. So this is how to enable nudity protection in your Instagram. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.